Understanding the phrase, wheat belt. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting phrase used in the English language, wheat belt. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in conversations. So, let's get started. First, let's look at the two words individually. 1. Wheat. A cereal plant that produces grains which are used to make products like bread, pasta, and cereals. 2. Belt. In geographical terms, a belt refers to an area or region with a particular characteristic. So, when we put these two words together, it gives us a clue about what the phrase might mean. Wheat belt is a term that refers to a geographical region where wheat farming is a significant agricultural activity. These areas typically have the right climate and soil conditions for cultivating wheat efficiently. For example, in the United States, the wheat belt covers parts of the Midwest, where a large amount of the country's wheat is produced. Now that we know what wheat belt means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. 1. The wheat belt in the U.S. stretches across several states in the Midwest. 2. Due to changing climate conditions, some areas of the traditional wheat belt are experiencing challenges in wheat production. 3. Farmers in the wheat belt are always looking for innovative techniques to enhance their yield. And there you have it. The term wheat belt refers to a region where wheat farming is predominant. It's fascinating how language captures geographical, cultural, and economic aspects of a place in just 2 words. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and now feel confident using the term wheat belt in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.